Every FX05 begins as raw metal and strict measurements. The tan polymer body starts as reinforced granules engineered for strength. Precision tooling sets the blueprint for every identical rifle. Computer-controlled machining shapes the rifle's backbone.
Micron-level cuts create the interface for the long top rail.
Every critical dimension is verified before assembly can continue. Deburring removes sharp edges to keep parts safe and reliable.
Protective finishes are applied to resist wear and corrosion.
Small components matter. One spring can decide reliability.
Manufacturing is controlled by inspection at every stage.
Cooling vents are built into the design from the mold itself.
Trimming ensures tight fitment without stress points.
Reinforced inserts prevent long-term loosening under recoil.
Grip texture is designed for control in sweat, rain, and gloves.
The stock mechanism is checked for repeatable lockup.
Cleaning removes residue before final mating with metal.
Color consistency keeps every unit visually identical.
Alignment jigs guarantee every hole matches every pin.
Control markings are applied so operation stays clear and standardized.
Before assembly, all furniture is staged as a matched set.
A simple gauge prevents complex failures later. The barrel begins as hardened steel prepared for rifling.
Boring creates the channel where accuracy is born.
Rifling gives the projectile spin for stability.
The outside profile is shaped for balance and durability.
The chamber must match ammunition tolerances perfectly. A small gas port controls the entire cycling system. Heat treatment stabilizes the barrel to reduce warping. The muzzle crown is finished to protect accuracy.
Sighting geometry depends on perfect alignment.
Internal inspection confirms the bore is flawless.
Finished barrels are protected before receiver installation.
Correct torque locks the barrel into the rifle's core.
Alignment keeps the rifle consistent and serviceable.
The gas system is assembled as a timed mechanical sequence.
Once pinned, the gas block must never drift. The bolt group is finished for smooth cycling.
Small parts are stacked in a strict order for safety.
Extraction and ejection rely on precision on the right side.
The fire control group is installed and tested for safe function.
Selector detents must feel consistent across all rifles.
The long top rail must stay straight for sight alignment. Iron sights are installed as the baseline aiming system. Feeding reliability begins with a clean magazine lockup.
Manual cycling confirms smooth movement before live testing.
Proper lubrication reduces wear and improves reliability.
Now the rifle looks complete, but it still must prove itself.
Permanent markings provide identification and traceability.
A final torque audit prevents failures in the field.
Headspace is checked to ensure safe chamber pressure. Trigger weight is measured to stay within spec.
Safety function is validated before any live round is loaded.
Sights are verified, so zeroing starts from a correct baseline.
Feed tests detect problems before the rifle reaches a soldier.
Reliability testing includes harsh conditions like dust and debris.
Water exposure tests confirm the rifle keeps operating.
Proof firing confirms the rifle withstands real chamber pressure.
Cycling speed and extraction are analyzed frame by frame.
Accuracy is recorded as part of acceptance testing.
After testing, the rifle is cleaned and re-inspected.
Cosmetic and mechanical inspection ensures uniform final appearance.
Final handling checks verify the rifle works exactly as designed.
Only after QC approval does packaging begin.
The manufacturing line ends with one goal: consistency.
Protective packing prevents damage before deployment.
Moisture control protects metal parts during storage.
Seals and labels ensure traceability through logistics. Final transport begins after complete documentation. Manufacturing is as much paperwork as it is machining. From raw materials to final rifle, every step is controlled.
This is the Xiucoatl FX05, built through precision, repetition, and strict quality control.
Subscribe for more factory-style weapon manufacturing documentaries and engineering breakdowns.